So today I'm doing a fun video for Jennifer, who commented that she really appreciated that I did a left-handed jewelry tutorial. And so I'm going to show you how you could turn any tutorial into a left-handed one. So you're going to need a long piece of wire. It's about 26 inches long. It's 16 gauge. And I'm just going to start by measuring sort of around the middle. So we're going to get around to the middle and then just do a bend a little to the right or left of the middle, and we're just going to bend it. And then depending on the length of your device, I'm going to go to about here. So it's about 4 inches. So we'll just do 4 inches. And then I measured a good length would be about 3 inches. So we're just going to do 3 inches here. 1, 2, 3. Bend. And then an inch. We're going to bend it up at an inch, and then 3 inches again here, and then in theory this should be about 3 inches, which it is, and then the same thing here. So we've got 3 inches, and we've got another inch. This will depend also on how thick your mirror is. You'll see why in a minute. And then we're going to do this up here. 3 inches. Okay, and then I'll just get my cutters and we're going to cut this here, or if you want a bit of a curve on it, if you want it to, you know, go back a bit, you can just do like a little bit of a curve there too if you want, and we can do the same thing here so there's not a rough edge. You could have cut it, or you can just kind of bend it back a little bit here. I have just enough wire, so sometimes you're better to cut it a little bit too long. Okay, so this is our stand, and let's remove all our stuff. So the idea is we're going to take our stand and we're going to just adjust it how you want. Okay, we're going to just adjust it here. So I have the video playing here, so I'm just going to put the video in here with the phone. It's playing, and then what we want to do is take our mirror, and then we put the mirror in here, and then we can watch the video in mirror image and make it at the same time. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your work, be sure to join the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our wire art and custom wedding cake toppers, be sure to hop over to our Etsy shop. I'll link it up below. And if you want to get on my mailing list, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. I'll link that up below as well. So let me know in the comments if you try this, if it works out for you. I hope it's a handy tip, and yeah, we'll see you the next time.